In a garden of blossoms so pink and bright, the bunny hops under petals in flight. The elephant giggles while blowing a kiss, in a world full of wonder and blossom-filled bliss. On sandy shores where the ice creams melt, they laugh and play with joy that's felt. The bunny licks while the castle grows, with sunny skies and ocean flows. Candy trees and marshmallow skies, where bubblegum balloons rise high. The bunny twirls on a cupcake sweet, with the elephant grooving to a sugar beat. Up in the sky in a rainbow balloon, they float through clouds and hum a tune, waving to birds with glee and cheer. Their friendship flies far and near, through jungle paths so wild and green. They chase adventures yet unseen, with glowing maps and a curious gaze. They wander through the leafy maze, down the slope in frosty delight. They race through snow so pure and white. The bunny zooms with a joyful squeal, while the elephant slides with winter zeal. Beneath the stars they share a glow, beside a fire where warm winds blow. They roast and laugh with tales to tell, in desert dreams where magic fell. Under the sea where the jellyfish shine, they swim through bubbles in perfect line. The bunny beams in a helmet tight, while the elephant glows with goggles bright.